Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Devices Analysis. So guys, our today's topic is the voltage divider biasing. This will be the third type of BJT biasing after fixed biasing and the ammeter biasing. In this video we will see the circuit and the formulas based on voltage divider biasing. So guys, let's start with our today's lecture. So guys, first of all we see the circuit of voltage divider biasing. The circuit of voltage divider biasing is look like as in which all of the resistances are present as they are present in fixed biasing and the ammeter biasing. Only one change is that RB, the base resistance, is divided into R1 and the R2. So the voltage will be divided in R1 and both in R2. So therefore it will be called the voltage divider bias network. And these resistances R1 and the R2 are called bias resistances. These are called bias resistances because the voltage will be drop over there. So guys, to solve this circuit, first you have to find IB, then you can find IC, and then you have to find VCC. You cannot find IB without the resistance RB. So first of all you have to find the resistance RB from there. So in this, the method number 1 which we will apply to solve the voltage divider bias network, and that is Thevenin's equivalent network. Thevenin equivalent circuit. And as you already know that what is the Thevenin equivalent circuit. If many of the resistances are present in parallel or series, or there is a voltage present will be AC or DC. Here the DC voltage applied, so we will take this. So many of the resistance is present, so therefore the Thevenin equivalent circuit made of one voltage source and a single resistance in series with that circuit. So we will apply Thevenin equivalent circuit to this circuit. First of all we will find R Thevenin from there. All of the circuit will remain same, only these two resistances, as you already know that these two resistances R1 and R2 are parallel with each other. So therefore R1 in parallel with R2 is equals to R Thevenin, and R Thevenin will be equals to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. You can find R Thevenin from there. So to find V Thevenin is taken as the voltage VB will be taken from this branch to this branch. So the voltage will be calculated on R2. So we will write R2 over R1 plus R2, the sum of both resistances, multiply with the voltage supplied battery VCC. So you can find V Thevenin from there. So the equivalent circuit we will drive from there, and this circuit is look like as all of the resistances are same, and there will be a resistance make with R Thevenin, and there will be a voltage source V Thevenin at that point VCC, and this will be our RC, and there will be an RE. So this will be the equivalent circuit of voltage divider bias network. So guys, this will be the equivalent circuit of voltage divider biasing. Now we will find formulas from this network. This will be the equivalent circuit of that circuit where we will find V Thevenin and the R Thevenin. Now we will find the formulas. First of all we will find IB. To find IB we will take the input loop of that circuit. The input loop will be taken from this branch to over this branch. So V Thevenin will be equals to the drop in this resistance is IB into R Thevenin plus the voltage drop in this junction is 0.7 volts, and this resistance drop is IE into RE. And as you already know that IE will be equals to 1 plus beta times IB. So put this equation in this formula. So IB into R Thevenin plus 0.7 volts plus 1 plus beta times IB into RE. So V Thevenin will be equals to, taking common IB from this branch and this branch, IB will be common, so R Thevenin plus 1 plus beta times RE, and plus 0.7 volts will be minus 0.7 volts. V Thevenin minus 0.7 volts will be equals to IB into R Thevenin plus 1 plus beta times RE. So therefore IB will be equals to V Thevenin minus 0.7 volts over R Thevenin plus 1 plus beta times RE. So this will be the formula of base current. Now you can find the value of IC. The value of IC will be taken from IC will be equals to beta times IB. This will be a very simple formula. So now we find the voltages VCE, and as you already know that the VCE will be calculated from the output loop of that circuit. So write the equation of output loop. The VCC will be equals to the drop in this resistance is IC into RC plus this junction is VCE and drop in this resistance is IE into RE. So now VCC will be equals to IC is approximately equals to IE. So therefore you can see that VCC will be equals to IC into RC plus VCE plus we can write IE will be equals to IC into RE. So therefore VCC will be equals to taking common IC from there, so RC plus RE is over there plus VCE. So therefore VCE will be equals to VCC minus IC into RC plus RE. This will be calculated the voltage collector emitter voltage. So you can find the output characteristics from there. You can write VCE, or here you can write IC and draw the output characteristics and indicate the Q point over there, because you have both IC and VCE values. So guys, that's all. These are all formulas which we will derive from the voltage divider biasing circuit. So guys, that's all for today. If you like our video, then press on like button and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.